Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are doing ayah number 79 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فويل للذين يكتبون الكتاب بأيديهم. Fa. There will be hums in fa. So don't just smoothly say fa. It's fa. Give more of your breath. Fa. Fa way. And way has two counts because it's lean. The sound of fatha goes up and then joins ya. Way. Fa. Way. Way. Lul. Circle your lips well for dhamma and then go on lam. Lul. Li. There's kasra and it should have clear e sound. Li and short. Li. And then lam is attached with lam. Lil. La short. The two counts long. Na short. The should have clear flow of breath, flow of sound. There is flow of sound in dal. Vina. So the sound should be very clear. Vina. Fawailul lilladhina yak. Yeah, is short and soft. Kaf has hums in it. Yak. So the hums should be very hearable. Yak, tu, ta. There is dhamma on ta. Circle your lips well. Boo, two times long. Boo, nal, fatha. For fatha, open your jaws and then attach with lam. Nal, ki, kaf is short. There is no clear hums in mutaharika kaf. So don't say ki. It's ki, clear, ki and short. And E sound, ta, two counts long, ba, short. Kitaba, B is short and very clear. E sound, I, there's again harf lean. Whenever there is ya and waw, sakina having fatha before it, it's lean and it takes two counts long sound and it's soft. The word lean means softness. So B-A-D, D is two counts long. Why? It's harf mad. This is harf lean and this is harf mad. What is harf mad? It's ya sakina qablaha maksur, waw sakina qablaha madmum, alif sakina qablaha maftuh. So here it is mad letter. B-I-D, but the length is same. Him, there is kasra on he, kasra under he, and it is E sound, and there is the wasut on meme. The wasut is a medium flow of sound, so give medium flow of sound on meme. Him, Lin, Umar, these are the letters. Lin, Umar are the letters which have the wasut, and the wasut is the medium flow of sound, and meme is one of them. بأيديهم ثم يقولون هذا من عند الله ليشتروا به ثمنا قليلا. Tha for dhamma, circle your lips. And what is the makhraj of tha? It's touching the tip of your tongue under the edge of your two frontal teeth. So put your tongue there and then say that letter. Don't drag it in and then say, and it will give you safir and there will be summa. No, it's not summa. It's clear. Thu. Put your tongue, tip of your tongue under the two frontal teeth, at the edge of two frontal teeth. and circle your lips well. And gunna, the gunna has two counts. In Tajweed language, we don't say that the gunna is two counts, but I'm just giving you a rough idea that you have to stay here for two counts long. This is gunna, keeping your sound in your nose, and fatha is short. Ma, the fatha is very short. It's not long. The gunna is long, which is two counts long. Thumma, yeah, very soft letter. It's not like English you. There is no you sound. It's yeah, very soft. Your middle of your tongue is lifting up towards the palate, but it's not actually touching. So ooh, off is heavy. Circle your lips well, and this is two counts long because it's harf mad. Waw sakina qablaha madmoon. Lu, two counts long the same way. Lu, circle your lips well. Na, short. Hada, ha, two counts long. The, two counts long. Hada, min, there is izhar, and with tawassut. The sifa is tawassut. Hukam is izhar, and sifa is tawassut. Tawassut is medium flow of sound. Give medium flow of sound and give a very clear sound of noon because it's izhar. Whenever you find huruf halaqi after throat letters, after noon sakina, you will give izhar. Min, ang. There's ikhfa. And what is the sound? What is the abbreviation for ikhfa? It's IK. So this is light ikhfa here. Dillahi. There is kasra on dal, so give e sound. It's not dillahi. Don't just smoothly go, but give e sound. Dillahi. And lafz jalala will be light over here because we find kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala name. Whenever you find kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be light. When there is dhamma or fatha, and it will be heavy. So it's very, very light sound of lam. Dillahi, li. He has e sound. Li, again, li. Every kasra has e sound. Just hold this rule and then your 50% of your harakat will be very fine. Li, yesh. Yeah, very soft. Sheen, there's the fashi, there's rekhawa. The sound will go on. Liyashta, the short. Ro is heavy. Whenever there is dhamma or fatha on ra, it's heavy, and it is two counts long too because it's mud letter. D, but short. E sound. He, two counts long. Tha, again. Put your tongue, edge of your tongue, and tip of your tongue under the edge of your front two teeth, and say sa, ma, same length, short, nang. It's heavy ikhfa because you find heavy letter after noon sakina or tanween, then it will be heavy ikhfa. Thamanang, o is short, li, two counts long, la, مد عارض للسكون مد عوض, and we are changing tanween into one mad letter, so this is mad عوض. قليلا, la, two counts long. The way li is long, two counts long, la is two counts long too. Fa, again the same word. Faway, lul, la short. Hum, for dhamma, circle your lips, and for gunna here give two counts long gunna, and then again two counts long gunna, and then there is mud letter, so there is two counts long mud letter. So lahum mimma, the length of all these three things should be the same. Ka, short. Ta, short. But there is fatha on ba. Open your jaws well, and then there is hams on ta. Whenever the ta is with sukoon, there is hams, and what hams is? Flow of breath. Okay, so give flow of breath in ta, very hearable. Katabat ay. Again, Madeline D, 2 counts long. Him. Give kasra on he and tawassut on meme, and very clear sound of meme. Him. Wa. Circle your lips well for wow. Wow has what is the makhraj of wow? Just give a circled give a circled lips for wow. Don't use your teeth to pronounce wow. Okay, wa, way, 2 counts long. Lean, half lean. Lul, circle your lips well for lam and give the wasl on the lam next to it. La, and fatha is very short. Whom, the dhamma on ha, so circle your lips well, and this ha is attached with this meme very clearly, so 2 haraka long gunna. Whenever you find meme or noon with tashdid, it will get gunna, and that is 2 counts long. Mim, ma is 2 counts long. Yak, sibu, yak, si, yak. There's hams on kaf. Si, give very clear Safi sound in seen, and there is kasra. Si, yak, si, bu. Circle your lips well, and it will be 4 haraka long. It's not 2 haraka long anymore because we are giving mad arid lisakun here. So preferably you give 4 haraka gunna. You can give 2, you can give 4, you can give 5 haraka long. Haraka long this mad, but more rajih, more authentic. Like it's always preferable to give 4 haraka gunna on mad arid lisakun. فويل لهم مما كتبت أيديهم وويل لهم مما يكسبون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.